Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting usable prints now. Capture or choose high-contrast images at 500 dpi. Make sure lighting is even to avoid false ridges. Next, identify the core and delta. Those are your anchors when you classify. Then, label samples and record metadata, source, date, and capture method. Once done, mark each print as loop, whorl, or arch based on ridge flow. This immediate action gives you consistent samples and a repeatable baseline for the next, more detailed steps. You now examine the middle of the process. Start by locating core and delta, then count ridges between them using small units for accuracy. This helps distinguish subtypes. Next, look for Galton features, ridge endings, bifurcations, and islands, and mark at least 3 clear minutiae for reliability. Use a straightforward scoring rule. Record the major pattern, add minutiae count, and note ridge counts. Once done, compare against known pattern templates to assign a final classification and prepare for validation. You finish by verifying and documenting. Cross-check your classification with a second observer or a reference template to confirm the label. Make sure to record a confidence percentage. If prints are smudged or ambiguous, first attempt digital contrast enhancement. If that fails, recapture using lighting at a shallow angle, about 45 degrees, to reveal ridge shadows. If problems persist, note corrective actions and flag the sample. This closing step secures an auditable result and a clear troubleshooting trail if
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.